Mawi DNA Technologies has developed the iSWAB RNA-v2, the only non-invasive technology for the collection and extended room temperature stabilization of high-quality RNA from oral samples, with applications in microarray and sequencing-based gene expression profiling and transcriptomics. RNA is collected via a non-invasive flocked swab or cytobrush. The design of the iSWAB collection device allows for maximum release of collected samples from multiple swabs or brushes into a single device to achieve a more concentrated sample. The unique features of the iSWAB device allows for the collection, concentration and long-term temperature stabilization of high-quality RNA. Collected RNA can be used for real-time quantitative and reverse transcription PCR, microarrays, northern blotting and RNA sequencing.